If there's one thing that I know about running a painting business or any service-based business for that matter, is that it's not easy, especially in today's world where you got to constantly grow your company, but also market your company at the same time. When I'm on a strategy call with a lot of the painters, I often tell them that you're a marketing company first and a painting company second. It's hard to wrap our head around, but if we're not constantly getting a new, fresh flow of intakes and leads, it's really hard to continue moving forward because the number one thing you need is sales, right? You need revenue. That's what drives your business. Well, at House Painter Digital, what we do is we help painters and other service-based businesses grow their online marketing, namely using website design and search engine optimization. For our clients who are painters, we use what we call parallel branding. And that's where we use our brand along with your brand to help promote or amplify your messaging online. So if you're looking for an affordable solution for your digital marketing and you just want a team that's going to help you get ranked, get more leads, get more traffic, and continue doing what you do best and offload that burden, that stress of doing your website, your SEO, and all that other jazz, let me know. Also, if you want to do a spitball session, 15-minute call, 30-minute call, just to test the waters to see if we're a good match, or even just to bounce an idea or tell me what's keeping you up at night, enter the form on this page and I'd be happy to chat with you. My name is Paul. I'm from Trusted House Painter and House Painter Digital, and we help painters grow their painting business.